Oh, it's
No, no, you
filming
can't.
now? Are you filming? I don't know if you're filming. Ah, yes, you are filming. Alright, so we're on our way to the Palexpo Palexpo Auto Show. So this is apparently the second biggest motor show in the world. That's really cool, right? Here you go. Ah! Alright.
So yeah, there's a lot of people here. It's kind of weird, but
First vlog, dude. But who gives a fuck?
yeah.
Oh, beep that.
Aw, I think that's your size.
This?
Yeah, I think this is your size.
Oh yeah. This is exactly what I need. Yeah. Beautiful.
So Bilal is looking to buy me a new car today.
Getting a new car, you know.
Yeah,
we're
he's
just
buying
gonna
a new
we're just trying to
car.
find the Ferrari store stall, and after that, yeah, it should be
Yeah.
really fun. What is this? It's like a spaceship. Nice car. Upstairs has like all the Lambos and stuff, and like the new Bugatti that came out, and it like goes at I don't know, really fast.
Okay. Done.
How fun was that? See that? Wow.
He was almost as fat as you.
Yeah, he was, and
Almost.
I think I just made my first best friend, huh?
I think
Really
you should go
proud
on
of
a
my
date
son.
with him.
For sure. Wow, beautiful, man. So pretty. That boys is my future car. I'm getting it in like an hour.
Yeah. Yeah, we're just waiting for it to like be delivered.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Let's go. Whoa! See that? See that, Tanya? See that? That's my. Oh wait, no.
Never mind.
Look at that one. Look at that ass, boys. Look at that ass. Look at this. Look at how many people there are here. Look at this. Look at that.
This one's nice.
Wow, that's
The
proper.
color is really nice.
That's proper like I'm a pimp. I'm a pimp from Compton who made it. Oh, I really love it.
I like it. I like the color.
I like it. It's really cool. No, it's kind of funny because you would actually fit in that. Now we got the whole car to ourselves. Nice fucking thing. Hey there.
So yeah, we're in our car right now. There's a lot of people watching us, but
This is pretty dope. It's pretty dope. People are trying to get into the car. People are just around my car. And they're just opening my doors. You know, just in my trunk. I don't know how I feel about this. So. What? What is that? That is a fucking Batmobile.
so guys, you know, just getting into my car. So we just finished shopping, and now we're going home.
Oh look at that! You can accept your calls here and stuff. That's cool, you know. And then you've got your little armrest here. You got.
Why is there
your,
no armrest here?
It's because the the driver, the Alpha gets the armrest,
Oh right, yeah.
not the Omega. Alright guys, so basically we've already seen the Lamborghini, the Chevrolets and everything, nice cars and everything, but We can't find Ferrari. Where is Ferrari? You know where Ferrari is? 'Cause I can't find it. I have no idea where it is. What's up?
There's so many people, guys, here, and like it's so warm. I'm dying. I have no idea how you can like keep your jacket on.
It's comfortable.